Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Excel and immediately create and save a new workbook so you never lose work. Next, type concise column headers in row 1 and format them bold. This creates structure and makes future formulas predictable. Once done, adjust column widths, enable wrap text where needed, and freeze the top row so headers stay visible while scrolling. These steps reduce errors and speed data entry. Make sure to set a simple number format for currency or dates right away to keep values consistent. Now you fill rows with data, keeping each record on one row so lookups and totals work cleanly. As you enter numbers, start using formulas like SUM for totals, average for means, and simple arithmetic for calculations. Type equals SUM, C2, C20 as an example and press enter. Once formulas work, copy them down using the fill handle. When you need fixed references, add $ to lock columns or rows so copied formulas remain correct. This reduces manual recalculation and prevents common mistakes. To finish, run quick checks. Apply conditional formatting to flag high or low values and add filters so you can slice the dataset. These reveal problems fast. Create a basic pivot table when you need grouped summaries by category and format results for presentation with number formats and borders. Finally, save a backup copy and scan formulas for errors. If something looks wrong, check cell references and filter settings first. Most issues come from miscopied formulas or hidden filters affecting totals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.